Today we're taking a quick look at what comes in the box with the new TrueView GO NEO. The TrueView GO NEO is our newest handheld 3D reality capture solution designed to make it easy to bring fast, detailed scanning into your everyday workflow. Whether you're capturing buildings, job sites, interiors, or assets in the field, the TrueView GO NEO gives you a simple way to collect high-quality 3D data without a complicated setup. And the good news is, we have TrueView GO NEO units available now and ready to ship. So, let's take a look at what's included when you open the box. First, you'll find the main unit, which is the heart of the TrueView GO NEO system. You'll also get the smart handle, which contains the battery for the unit and makes it comfortable and easy to carry while scanning. Next is the phone holder, so you can mount your Android phone directly to the system while you work. Now, one important note, the TrueView GO NEO does not come with a phone, but you can conveniently scan using your own Android device. The app is easy to download from the LP360 portal, so you can get connected and start scanning quickly. Also included is the quick start guide to help get you up and running. You'll find a laser cleaning cloth to help keep your sensor clean and ready for the field. And the kit also includes a standard charger and a data cable. That's everything included with the TrueView GO NEO. It's compact, easy to set up, and ready to help you add 3D reality capture to your toolbox. To learn more or to reserve your TrueView GO NEO, reach out to the GeoCue team today.